night, some of you were on the Team Pinnacle call, and I shared some principles about 10 steps to 10K. In fact, if you were on that call last night, put the number 10 in the chat. If you were on the call last night about the 10 steps to 10K and beyond on autopilot. And for those who were not on the call, I spent a little time with the foundation, laying the foundation of 10 steps to 10K. Because oftentimes we can hear a list of what to do, but if we don't understand the significance behind why it's so important, if we don't understand the significance behind breaking down the internal beliefs that keep us from implementing a particular concept that is the very answer to what we dream of, then we can hear the recipe all we want, but still not have the internal capacity to implement. So I want to start today. I'll put it up on the screen again, what the 10 steps to 10K are,